Woodworking is a craft that thrives on precision, creativity, and the right equipment. For handymen, the difference between a frustrating project and a flawless finish often comes down to having smart, reliable tools at hand. From innovative measuring devices to clever cutting and sanding solutions, today's woodworking tools are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and make every job more enjoyable. In this guide, we'll explore 11 of the coolest woodworking tools that every handyman should add to their toolkit. Cutting insulation materials demands both speed and precision, and this saw is engineered to deliver exactly that. The Minova folding insulation handsaw features a wave-shaped tooth blade that slices through mineral wool, glass wool, rock wool, fiberglass, and wood fiber insulation boards with minimal debris. Its blade is exceptionally smooth, hardened to HRC 50 to 55, and polished to resist rust while maintaining sharpness. Measuring 21.65 inches in total length with a 16.5-inch blade in a 4.7-inch handle, it balances reach with control. The blade thickness of 0.8 millimeters ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. The ergonomic ABS plus TPU handle is soft, non-slip, and designed to reduce fatigue, fitting comfortably in most hand sizes. For safety and portability, the saw comes with a nylon sheath, protecting both the blade and the user when not in use. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for professionals and DIY users tackling insulation projects where clean, efficient cuts are essential. Versatility in cutting starts with the right blades, and Milwaukee's multi-tool blade set is built to handle a wide range of materials with precision. The set typically includes bimetal blades for wood and metal, carbide grit blades for grout and tile, and high carbon steel blades for fast wood cuts. Each blade is engineered with Milwaukee's universal fit open lock anchor, ensuring compatibility with most oscillating multi-tools and allowing quick tool-free blade changes. The bimetal construction with cobalt reinforcement extends blade life, while the aggressive tooth design delivers faster cuts in hardwoods, nails, and non-ferrous metals. Carbide blades provide durability for demanding tasks like cutting screws, bolts, or hardened materials. Packaged in a durable case, the set keeps blades organized and ready for job site use. Priced around $39 to $49 depending on kit size, it's a cost-effective solution for professionals and DIY users who need reliable performance across multiple applications. Whether trimming, plunge cutting, or removing grout, this set ensures your multi-tool is ready for anything. Work holding in precision woodworking often comes down to the smallest details, and these Chamfer Dogs are designed to make alignment effortless. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, each dog features a 20mm shaft sized to fit standard bench dog holes found in Festool MFT tables and similar work surfaces. The chamfered top edge allows material to slide into position, guiding panels into perfect alignment without catching or damaging edges. Anodized for durability, they resist wear and corrosion even under heavy use. Compact yet strong, they provide reliable registration for squaring panels, setting fences, or positioning workpieces for cutting and assembly. Their low-profile design ensures they don't interfere with clamps or tools, making them versatile across different setups. Sold in sets, they're lightweight and easy to store, but indispensable when accuracy matters most. Whether building cabinetry, furniture, or custom projects, TSO Chamfer Dogs transform a simple workbench into a precision alignment station. Flat pack furniture assembly often comes down to the strength and reliability of its connectors, and this kit is designed to make that process simple and secure. The Wolfcraft Furniture Cam Lock Kit includes cam locks, dowels, and connecting bolts, all engineered for precise alignment and firm fastening of panels. Made from zinc alloy and steel, the components resist wear and provide long-lasting stability. The cam locks are sized for 15 to 18 millimeters board thicknesses, making them compatible with most standard furniture panels. Each lock engages with a simple turn of a screwdriver, pulling the bolt tight and locking the joint without the need for glue or complex joinery. Compact and easy to install, the kit is ideal for assembling cabinets, wardrobes, shelving units, and other modular furniture. Packaged in sets for convenience, it ensures you have the right number of connectors for typical projects. Affordable, durable, and user-friendly, the Wolfcraft Camlock Kit is a small accessory that delivers big results in furniture strength and ease of assembly. Surface preparation in woodworking often requires more than sanding, and this tool is designed to handle the heavy work with precision. The Kaindl WOOD-PLANE is a specialized milling disc engineered for use with 115 to 125 mm angle grinders equipped with hand protection. Made for wood and composite wood materials, it excels at surface erosion, shaping, and debarking tree trunks or branches. The disc is not intended for cutting, but rather for controlled removal of material, giving craftsmen the ability to smooth, level, or texture surfaces quickly. Its hardened steel construction ensures durability, while the open design prevents clogging during extended use. Compact and efficient, it transforms a standard angle grinder into a powerful wood-shaping tool. Whether preparing beams, cleaning bark, or refining rough lumber, the AccuRight WOOD-PLANE offers speed and control that traditional hand planes or sanding discs cannot match. Rugged, versatile, and built for demanding tasks, it's a tool that bridges raw material preparation with fine craftsmanship.
Wood turning at a professional level requires stability, power, and versatility, and the Grizzly G0995 delivers all three. This heavy-duty lathe offers a 24.5 inches swing over the bed and comes equipped with advanced digital controls and a switch reluctance motor, ensuring smooth, consistent torque across all speeds. With 8 preset speed options, it adapts easily to different turning tasks, from delicate spindle work to large bowl projects. The pivoting headstock allows for outboard turning, while the 18-inch bed extension with 5 mounting positions expands capacity for longer workpieces. A swing-away bed feature makes it simple to move the tailstock aside during bowl turning, improving workflow and accessibility. Built with a rugged frame weighing 617 pounds, it minimizes vibration and provides rock-solid stability. Priced around $4,165, the G0995 is a serious investment for woodworkers who demand precision, durability, and flexibility in their craft. A razor-sharp edge isn't just about grinding, it's about finishing, and that's where a strop comes in. The Lavota leather strop paddle is crafted to refine and polish blades to professional sharpness. Measuring about 12 inches in length, it features 2 sides of premium cowhide leather, one smooth for final polishing and one slightly rougher for use with honing compounds. Mounted on a solid wooden handle, the paddle provides stability and comfort, keeping your hands safely away from the blade during stropping. Its dual-sided design allows you to progress from coarse to fine finishing without switching tools. Suitable for knives, chisels, razors, and carving tools, it restores edges quickly, removing burrs and aligning the cutting surface for a mirror-like finish. Compact and durable, it's easy to store or carry, making it ideal for both workshop and field use. Priced affordably, the Lavota strop paddle is a simple yet indispensable tool for anyone who values precision and longevity in their cutting edges. A bandsaw's performance is only as good as its blade, and Carter's AccuRight line is built to maximize precision and versatility. Crafted from premium high-carbon steel, these blades are engineered for durability and consistent cutting. Available in a range of widths from 1/8 inches for tight curves to 1 inches for resawing, they cover everything from intricate scroll work to heavy stock ripping. The variable tooth pitch design reduces vibration, delivering smoother cuts and longer blade life. Hardened teeth ensure clean performance across hardwoods, softwoods, plastics, and even non-ferrous metals. Each blade is welded and finished to exacting tolerances, minimizing drift and ensuring accurate tracking on the bandsaw. Whether you're shaping furniture components, resawing lumber, or tackling detailed craft projects, the AccuRight blades provide the control and reliability that serious woodworkers demand. Priced competitively, they offer professional quality without compromise, making them a trusted upgrade for any bandsaw setup. Safety and precision go hand in hand when working with table saws, jointers, router tables, or bandsaws, and the Grabber Pro is designed to deliver both. This multi-purpose push block features a multi-directional grip surface that holds workpieces firmly, reducing kickback and ensuring smooth feeding. Its adjustable legs allow it to adapt to different material thicknesses, while the angled handle design provides ergonomic comfort and keeps hands safely away from blades during feeding. The Grabber Pro is especially effective for narrow stock, dado cuts, and rip cuts, where control and stability are critical. Built from durable, impact-resistant material, it withstands heavy shop use while maintaining a lightweight feel for easy maneuvering. Measuring about 10 inches in length, it offers extended reach and leverage, making it versatile across multiple machines. Priced affordably, it's a practical safety accessory that enhances accuracy while protecting the user. Whether guiding hardwood boards through a saw or trimming panels on a router table, the Grabber Pro ensures every cut is controlled, clean, and secure. Precision setup is the foundation of accurate woodworking, and this compact gauge is designed to make that process effortless. The JessEm small metric tool setting gauge is machined from solid aluminum, anodized for durability, and laser etched with clear metric markings. Measuring 50 by 50 by 12 millimeters, it's small enough to fit in a pocket, yet precise enough for critical adjustments. The gauge features step graduations from 1 to 50 millimeters, allowing quick and repeatable settings for router bits, saw blades, and drill press depths. Its flat base ensures stability when placed on a table surface, while the stepped design eliminates guesswork and height adjustments. Lightweight but rugged, it's ideal for fine-tuning tools in both workshop and job site environments. Compact organization means it's always within reach, ready to deliver accuracy without fuss. Whether setting up a router table for joinery or dialing in blade height for clean cuts, this gauge transforms setup into a fast, reliable step in craftsmanship. This caliper blends tradition with innovation. The Dasqua 33585 is the world's first combined dial and digital caliper, offering the tactile reliability of a dial with the clarity of a modern OLED display. Measuring up to 6 inches, it handles inner and outer diameters, depth, and thickness with ease. The display switches seamlessly between inch, millimeter, and fractional readings, making it versatile across different projects. Built to IP67 standards, it's waterproof, dustproof, and oil-resistant, ensuring durability in workshops, laboratories, and woodworking environments. The OLED screen features adjustable brightness levels, allowing clear readings even in low light conditions. Beyond local measurement, it can wirelessly transmit data via Bluetooth, streamlining workflows and reducing manual recording errors. Compact, rugged, and precise, the Dasqua 33585 is a tool that bridges old-school craftsmanship with modern digital efficiency. These 11 coolest woodworking tools are more than just accessories. They're problem solvers that help every handyman achieve professional results with less effort. Equip your workshop with these essentials, and you'll be ready to take on any project with skill, efficiency, and creativity.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.